going to work on some molarity problems. To start, we're going to look at solving for the solute. Remember, the solute gets dissolved in the solvent. Also recall that molarity, M, is equal to moles of solute divided by liters of solution. So we want to keep that in mind while we're going through these problems. So problem 1. How many moles of solute are dissolved in 5.0 liters of a 3.0 molar solution? We can set this up using our molarity equation. 3.0 molar is equal to X moles over 5.0 liters. And to show you how to do this for this one, we multiply both sides by 5.0 liters, so that cancels out 5.0 liters. So X equals 15 moles. Let's look at another one, a little more complex. 2. How many moles of sucrose are dissolved in 25 milliliters of a 2.0 molar solution? Set it up the same way. 2.0 m equals X moles over liters. But we don't have liters, we have milliliters. So we have to convert 25 milliliters, milliliters on the bottom, liters on top. Remember that conversion, our base unit, liters, gets a 1, and milli is 10 to the third, or 1,000. So this equals 0.025 liters. And we can put that up here into our liters. 0.025. Again, rearrange this equation. X is going to equal 0.050 moles. And that's the answer to the second one. Another. How many grams of sodium chloride is NaCl, are dissolved in 10.0 liters of a 0.200 molar solution? .200 m equals X moles over 10.0 liters. Rearrange this. X equals 2.00 moles of NaCl. But we don't want NaCl. We don't want moles. We want grams. And we know how to convert that. 2.00 moles of NaCl. 1 mole of NaCl on the bottom. And how many grams of NaCl on top? The molar mass, 58.44. So this comes out to equal Oh no.